I'm happy today because I can hear. It was difficult for me to hear some sound, but now I can hear different voice. I'm very happy. This situation make me hard time, but today I thank God. So I'm so happy. On this side, I can hear now. When somebody opens the door, I can hear. But when I was turning back, somebody would open the door, I don't hear. But now I can hear the sound of them. I can hear when the people is talking. I can understand this is the footstep of somebody is coming behind me. But previous, no. Thank you, God. I advise other people to come to take this service. This is so good. I feel like now I'm in a new generation. Because when when I looking people, I was afraid to communicate with them. But now, it gives me a confidence. Because I can hear, I can able to respond. I can say thank you, God.